students, welcome to our geometry class. In the previous period, we have already completed two problems of exercise 6.2. Now let's see the third problem. Now see here, what is the third problem? Two buildings are opposite side of a road. BC is a road which is of 12 meter. The height of first building is 10. You have to find out height of second building. And what is the angle of elevation? From the top of the first building, angle of elevation is 60. You have to find out height of the second building. Now see here, what is given first, that we have to write down. Now BC is the length of road, that is 12 meter. Then DC, height of first building. Height of first building, that is given 10 meter. Then AB, height of second building, that you have to find. And what is the angle of elevation? ADE is equal to 60 degree. Angle of elevation. Now see here DCBE, it is a rectangle. Quadrilateral DCBE is a rectangle because it is a straight building, ground is there and it is the horizontal line, therefore it forms a rectangle. Now if it is a rectangle, then opposite sides are congruent. So DC is equal to EB is equal to what? 10. And DE is equal to CB, DE is equal to CB is equal to 12. Opposite sides of rectangle. Now what you have to find out? AE first. Now DE is 12. Now in triangle ADE, angle E is equal to 90. It is a straight line, therefore this angle is 90. And then here, what you have to find out? Height of the second building. Now this part you already know. You have to find out A, means opposite. What is given? Adjacent. So what you have to find out here? Tan 60. Tan 60 is equal to AE upon DE. Now what is AE? AE you have to find out, and DE is how much? 12. Now tan 60 is root 3. What is tan 60? Root 3. Tan 60 is root 3 and therefore AE upon DE is AE upon DE means AE upon 12. AE upon 12. Now do the cross multiply. What you get? 12 root 3. And then put the value of root 3 here. 12 into root 3. 12 root 3. Find out here 12 root 3. And what you have to find out, students? AB. Now AB is equal to AE plus EB. AE plus EB. Now AE is 12 root 3. 12 root 3 plus 10. So what is your answer? Height of the second building is 12 root 3 plus 10. If value of root 3 is given, you have to put here value of root 3, that is 1.73. Here value is not given, so your answer is 12 root 3 plus 10. It is the height of the second building. Now see here, the fourth problem is of the same type. Now here what is given? Here also two buildings are given. One is 7 meter, height of the first building is 7 and height of the second building is 18. And here one string is tied from the top of the both the building. And height of that string is how much? Length of that string is 22. And you have to find out what is the angle theta. What you have to find out? Angle of elevation. Angle of elevation you have to find out. What is given? Height of first is 7, height of second is 18. AB is 18, DC is 7. You have to find out theta, angle theta. A wire is straightened from A to D. Here a wire is tied from A to D. Now see here, what is given that you have to write down first. Now BC, height of first building, that is 7 meter. Then AB, height of second building, height of second building, that is given 18 meter. Then AD, length of wire, that is 22 meter. And theta, angle of elevation, that you have to find out first. That you have to find. Now here also DEBC is a rectangle. Quadrilateral DEBC is a rectangle. So here also BC is equal to EB is equal to 7. BC is equal to EB is equal to 7. Now see here, AE is equal to what? AB is equal to AE plus EB. See here, AB is equal to AE plus EB. Now AB is 18, AE you have to find out, and EB is how much? 7. So what you get? Therefore AE is equal to 18 minus 7. How much? 11 meter. So AE is equal to 11. Now see here, in triangle AED, angle E is equal to 90. This angle is 90. Now what is given? AD is 22 and AE is 11. Now see here, angle is theta, means what is given? Opposite and hypotenuse. Opposite and hypotenuse means what you have to take? Sine. Sine theta is AE upon hypotenuse is AD. Now sine theta. Now AE is how much? 11. AD is 22. What you get? 1 upon 2. Now whose angle is 1 upon 2? Angle 30 is 1 upon 2. Sine 30 is 1 upon 2. And therefore sine 30 is equal to 1 upon 2. And therefore theta is equal to how much? 30 degree. This angle is how much? 30 degree. Your ratio is how much? 1:2. Whose ratio is 1:2? Sine 30 is 1:2. Therefore theta is equal to 30. Now students, let's see the next problem, that is the fifth problem. Now let's see the fifth problem. Now see here, what is the fifth? A storm broke a tree and tree top rested 20 meter from the base of the tree, making an angle of 60 with the horizontal. Find the height of the tree. Now here it is AB is the height of the tree and it is broken from which point? C. C point, CD is the broken part of the tree. Now what is given? This distance is given, broken part, and the distance of the tree is given 20 meter. You have to find out height of the tree. Height of the tree means what you have to find out? BC plus CD. CD is equal to what? AC. AC is a broken part, which is the CD. AC and CD are equal, so you have to find out BC and CD also. Now see here, what is given? First you have to write down. Now see here, what is given? AB is height of tree. That you have to find out. Now BD, distance of broken part from base of the tree. Broken part from base of the tree. That is BD, that is given 20 meter. Then CD is the broken part. CD is equal to AC, that is the broken part of So here which angle is given? 60 is given. You have to find out CD and BC first. Now see here, what is given? This angle is 60. You have to find out CD. means which opposite side. What is given? Adjacent side is given. So what you have to find out first? BC. So what you have to take? In triangle BC, CBD, angle B is equal to 90. So what you have to take here? Tan 60. Now take tan 60. Tan 60 means BC upon BD. BC upon BD. Now tan 60 is √3. BC you have to find out. BD is how much? 20. And therefore BC is equal to 20 √3. And then you have to find out what? CD. Now CD means here it is the which side? Hypotenuse. And adjacent and opposite you know. Now take the sin 60. Now sin 60 is opposite upon hypotenuse. CB upon CD. Now BC is how much? 20 √3 upon CD. And what is sin 60? Sin 60 is √3/2 is equal to 20 √3 upon CD. Now see here, √3 and √3 will be cut. What you get? CD is equal to 20 into 2, 40. Therefore CD is equal to 20 into 2. What is? And CD is 40 means AC is also 40. Now CD is equal to AC is equal to 40. Now what you have to find out? AB. So AB is equal to what? AC plus BC. AB is equal to AC plus BC. Now AB is equal to AC is how much? 40. And BC is how much? 20 √3. So what is your answer? Height of the tree is 40 plus 20 √3. Now here if the value of √3 is given, you have to put the value of √3 and then find out answer. Now see here, sixth problem. It is the most important problem. Most important problem. Now see here the sixth problem. What is given in the sixth? A kite is flying at a height of 60 meters from the ground. Kite is given. The string attached to the kite is tied at the ground. It makes an angle of 60 with the ground. Assuming the string is straight, you have to find out length of the string. That is AC you have to find out. A is the position of kite. A is the position of kite. A is the position of kite. Then AB, height of kite from the ground. That is 60 meter. And what you have to find out? Length of string. Length of string, that is AC you have to find. Now see here, what is given? Opposite is given. You have to find out hypotenuse. Means what you have to use here? In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90. Angle C is equal to 60. Angle C is equal to 60. That is angle of elevation. Now see here, what you have to take here? Sin 60. Opposite upon hypotenuse. That is AB upon AC. Now AB is 60. AC you have to find. Now sin 60 is √3/2 is equal to 60 upon AC. Now do the cross multiply. What you get? 62 is 120. And here AC is equal to 120 upon √3. Now here you have to rationalize the denominator. Means multiplied by √3 and divide by √3. What you get? AC is equal to 120 √3 upon √3 into √3, 3. And then you get 40 √3. And here value of √3 is given. So 40 into 1.732, you get 69.2 meter. If value of root 3 is given, you have to put the value that is 1.732. What you have to take here? Sin 60. Opposite is given. Hypotenuse you have to find out. So you have to use what? Sin 60. If denominator is root 3, you have to rationalize the denominator. Means multiplied by root 3 and divided by root 3. Here 60 to the 120 and root 3 into AC. AC is equal to 120 upon root 3. Multiplied by root 3, multiplied by root 3. Now students, all these problems are very important. 6.2. So we have already completed exercise 6.2. So write down all these problems that is given in the video in your copy and then send me. And also do the practice of the word problems that are given in the problem set 6. Okay students, I hope you understood all these problems. These are the simple methods to solve the problems. So thank you and have a